Everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your Eureka Crystal Beads collection for January 2026. Wow, just the time flies, doesn't it? So this is called Enchanted Mirror Beads Collection, and here is the picture. So generally I just like give you a little info in the beginning. So I thought I'd put the picture out as well. So isn't that beautiful? And look at you can just look at these beads. They look like they're antique beads, don't they? Oh, I can't wait to open this and show you everything. So, Eureka collections are not a subscription. This is a beautifully curated collection of beads, stones, findings, all kinds of beading goodies that they offer on their website monthly. They have other collections as well. They have the light collections. Oh, they've got so much going on there. Collections, which are so beautiful. So, without further delay, let's get a look at these beautiful jewels in here. As usual, Eureka Crystal Beads is going to give you a coupon code, so it's Mirror Wish for 10% off any 2 collections and 15% off any 3 or more collections. Okay, something I want to share with you before we start are these bead mats. So these are not in the collection. These are would be a separate purchase, but I'm so happy to see these bead mats, especially this one, and I'll show you why. So this is this bead mat, the first one. I put the picture from the collection on just to give you like a little perspective how things fit, right? So this one is an 11 by 14, and you can get this pretty much anywhere. It's a nice quality one. I love the logo on it. Really pretty for those of you who like the 11 by 14. However, for those of you who are like me and you like a giant bead mat, I love the 14 by 22. And what's so great is I have been purchasing these on Etsy, the 22 by 14, from a shop that I just loved, and I've also shared that shop with you guys. And the owner had decided several months ago to close the shop, so I don't have a supplier for the 22 by 14 anymore. I can't find it anywhere. She was the only one who cut those that I could see. So I'm thrilled that Eureka Crystal Beads is doing this. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love it. It's so big. I love putting piles all over. It's just the best. Some of you may already have it. I don't know, but I'm thrilled about it. And who knows? Maybe they'll come up with some other colors. I don't know. Anyway, love it. Just pulled everything out just so you can get a look, really get a good look at the color story. So look at these gorgeous brass and bronze and these deep cyan. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? I believe it's a Lunasoft cabochon, and that just glows. Look at these gorgeous crystals here. All the findings are bronze and brass, and look at these gorgeous. These are Elite Eureka Crystal Pearls. So pretty. I love that color. That is gorgeous. Got some reds. And look at that picture. I love it. Sets the mood. I love it. All right, let's open everything up and take a look. Let's start with seed beads. So we have Miyuki round seed beads. It's a size mix, so that means you get 15 O's, 11 O's, and 8 O's, and this is in gilt-lined opal white. I love this. I love this in a delicate too. It's so pretty. And then we have a Toho Treasure, which is a cylinder bead, and look at the color, that bronze. That's antique bronze. We have an 8O Toho Demi, and this is gold lustered Montana blue, 2.5-inch tube. It's beautiful. Trying to see, it's so hard for me to see the blue in it, but it's so pretty. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Okay, next up we have a Preciosa check seed bead. So this is very pretty. Preciosa seed beads are beautiful. 11O gray terra metallic matte. You get a 20-gram bag. That's a lot of seed beads. I love the matte, so pretty. I mean, it's so antique. Okay, next up we have these beautiful check glass beads, and we have a 4mm fire polish, and this is matte dark bronze, strand of 50, and then look at this faceted vertical teardrop. Gorgeous. This is stunning. 7 by 5mm in garnet, and I just love that vintage look of it. So pretty. Did I say you get 25 pieces? Beautiful. Okay, next up we have a mini gem duo bronze 6 by 4mm 2-hole check glass bead. You get a 5-gram bag. Beautiful. Love. You get a 2-hole gem duo. So this is a full-size gem duo. And look at that matte. Isn't that beautiful? Matte dark bronze, 2.5-inch tube. And look at those together. These would look gorgeous together. Maybe a pendant. I love that contrast. That is stunning. We have this gorgeous 2-hole ginkgo leaf just in basic white, which is such a pretty contrast. Love. Next up we have Eureka Crystal, and we have some 3mm bicones in white opal, pack of 72. Gosh, am I yelling? I'm sorry. And I'm not going to take them out of the pack because they're just in there so happy, but their white opal is gorgeous. And then we have a 4mm faceted round bead in cyan, pack of 25. Did I say pack of 72 for the white ones? Beautiful, lovely sparkle. Okay, look at these gorgeous, gorgeous Eureka Crystal accent mix stones. This is the Enchanted mirror accent mix. And look at the beautiful teardrops we've got here, or pears. You've got some rivolis, you know, different sizes. And look at these pretty chatons. Gorgeous. Look at these gorgeous elite Eureka Crystal pearls, and you get assorted sizes of round pearls, royal gold mix. You get a pack of 70. I love this color. Love. I think it's so pretty. Next up, we have my rondelles. I call them mine because I love them and I use them all the time. 3x2mm almond A, B. Look at that gorgeous strand of beads. Doesn't say how many, but there are a lot of little rondelles there. This is a beautiful, beautiful Lunasoft Lucite cabochon, oval, 25x18 in garnet. They're so pretty. I have a few videos where I've used these. Look at they glow, don't they? Look at that from within. Isn't that pretty? Okay, now look at these really pretty findings, and I just love the brass and the bronze. It's so pretty. So we have a tiara cast toggle. That's really, I love the smaller toggle. Classic vintage brass plated. You get one set. And then we have this button. This is also tiara cast. I'm so happy to see tiara cast. And this is a vintage brass plated button. And then we have some jump rings, always appreciated. An ear wire, a flat French. So it's, you know, French ear wire with a long back, and then it's flat. I love that. That is so, it's very vintage, isn't it? And then we have a ball post earring with loop, 4mm antique bronze plated. You get 2 pairs, so this has the little ball right there with the ring at the end that you can attach something to. So very, very beautiful, very antique looking findings. Hey, here you go. Here's your Enchanted mirror collection. I love it. I mean, the colors speak to me. They're just beautiful. I love the bronzes, and it just brings me back to when I used all these beautiful colors, and it's nice to see them again. I love it. I love the shiny and the matte together, well thought out. Look at these gorgeous pearls, just really, really beautiful. So I will put a link in the description box below the video to this collection and all the other collections that might be available, the collection page. So I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.